Bujugakanawi and welcome to Ojibwe Word of the Day. Today's word is Mino-nibaa-anami'e-giizhigad, and Mino-nibaa-anami'e-giizhigad means Merry Christmas. Of course, the Ojibwe never had a Christmas holiday that is part of a religious tradition that came from across the ocean. Today, some people celebrate, some people don't, but it must have been pretty interesting when they were figuring out how to translate the message or the concept. So in Mino-nibaa-anami'e-giizhigad, the Mino part means good, Nibaa means sleeping, Anami'e has to do with prayer, and Giizhigad is day. So like good sleeping prayer day. They must have been trying to describe a baby in the manger or something like that. Whether you celebrate or not, have a great day. Miigwech.